Ayan guys, magandang hapon po. Ayan, walang hapon guys. Ayan. Araw-araw na naulan dito guys. So, ang gagawin natin guys, i-tsaa tayo. Tsaa, yan. Tapos po, may nilagang saging. Yan, saging natin guys. Ayan, ingat tayong lahat, guys. Ayan, guys. Ako tayo. Thank you, guys, for watching. Just like, share, and subscribe. Bye!